Hello guys, so if you're looking to buy anything on Amazon by using Apple Pay, and if you're facing the issue that you are unable to do that, now if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Apple Pay to buy anything on Amazon. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to a browser, then log into your Amazon account. Now let's choose a product. So let's go with this table. Now if I go to the buy option, and if I look into the options from which I can buy, so you can see Apple Pay is not available over here. Now what you can do is just simply go to this particular website. So the link will be given to you in the description box below. So over here what you have to do is just simply scroll down and click on Amazon gift card. Just simply click on it. Now over here you can just simply choose whichever amount of Amazon gift card you want to buy. So if you want to change the country, you can also do this from over here. Click on it, and for example, if you want to buy from US, so click on United States, then it will automatically refresh it, and over here you will find the new rates. So if you want to buy a $100 card, a $50 card, is totally up to you. So all you have to do is just simply choose that, click on buy now, then it will be in your shopping cart. So go to checkout, click on checkout. Over here it will ask you your email address if you want to, so enter that, then click on checkout. Now over here you will have multiple options, and as you can see, you will also have the option for Apple Pay. Just simply choose Apple Pay and click checkout. Now wait for the transaction to complete, and after the transaction is completed, you will get a gift code. So copy that code and paste it right over here, and after you paste that code, you will find that the balance has been added to your Amazon gift balance. From there, just simply choose Amazon gift balance and just simply make your purchase from that. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.